everyone, Tevan here at Tevans Haven. Welcome to my channel where I share positivity and tips and tricks of what I use on a daily basis. And as I promised last week, I am doing how I use my Google Calendar. And basically, I think Google Calendar is a great tool. Today is November 26th when I'm doing this recording, and today is Mongolian national holiday, and it is showing on my calendar to have Mongolian public holidays on to be showing. And so the 26th and the 27th is a public holiday, and it is also showing the in blue that on Saturdays that I would be doing my video recordings for YouTube. And I did this video originally in Mongolian. As you may know, I do my videos on my channel Tevnas in Mongolian and do the same video in English. So today I'm going to show you basically how I make appointments with myself and how I also do repeated appointments. So here I'm going to just type in YouTube video recording over here, and I just put in the details and the subtitles and whatever information that I need to have, and update the information. Obviously you can invite people by your email, and I think having the location options and the reminder, the Google Calendar is pretty intuitive. And here I'm just going to type in how to use Google Calendar or how I use Google Calendar, and I'm going to hit save. And if you're enjoying this video, be sure to subscribe and also like this video and share this with people that you think that this video will be useful. If you want to change and update appointments, I really like the color options and categorizing my appointments by color. For example, I could use work stuff in blue and maybe do personal stuff in green, maybe school homework assignments in yellow. You know, it's really up to you. And you the location information you can enter from, it's basically what the information is available on Google Maps, and you can just save it. So yeah, I did a video last week on how I manage my time, so be sure to check that video out as well. And here on the 27th, I'm going to just show you how I make repetitive appointments. Here it is. I think I was just showing my calendar how to do repetitive appointments. For example, on every Wednesday I have a Rotary lunch. I've been recently joined in Rotary Ulaanbaatar, and I'm just gonna pretend that we're having our meeting at the corporate hotel and convention center, and I'm just entering the information over here just to show you. And I'm going to go ahead and save this, just, you know, to show it. I'm gonna take it out and see what that happens. And okay, hit save. And then I'm going to go in because I'm using I actually really liked how the Rotary lunch information had like little food information, little sign on it, and I'm changing the color to green because it is a personal thing. And you can have the event repeated every week in whatever frequency that the meeting is. I'm just going to put it in as weekly on Wednesdays, and it's set at a notification to have 30 minutes prior to the meeting. And I try to take out the location, but it wasn't saved, so I'm taking it out again. And yeah, just go ahead and save. And now you can see the appointment is like pretty much set on every Wednesday. So I'm gonna go back and go to November 27th to show you to make an appointment like all day. So because it shows a different information every time that you do a little event. So I'm just clicking anywhere. Because it is a public holiday in Mongolia, I'm gonna just type in day off, and amrost is basically a word for holiday or rest day. I'm just gonna hit save, and then when I go back, I'm just ticking in the all day option. I'm gonna put it as I'm out of office, change the color, just so you can see it. As you can see, all the events are showing up top, and yeah, so this is my little demonstration on this. So you can change the duration of events on the start day and end day, and here I've extended the public holiday just to show you how to do blocking away on these 2 days that I'm not working. And yeah, so what else? So I think Google Calendar, Google Keep are my time savers, and I have my account synced to be synced on my mobile phone and on my internet browser, just on my Google account. So I think these are a great option, and thank you for everyone who have watched my videos. Comment down below what other videos that you would like to see, and thank you very much for liking and subscribing to my channel, and it means the world to me, and I read every single comment. Thank you so much. Have a great day, and until next time, bye. Thank you for everyone who's been purchasing the Create Your Haven goods on my Teespring shops here in Europe and US. Thank you so much. You are the creator of your life. You're here because you want to stay motivated, so be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you can be notified for my next video. Thank you.